Welcome to our video of Suwannee Belle landing. Very big ride. It was only 83, call it 84 miles. We left the crossing, Williston Crossing, headed on through Archer, got to Newberry. We took 26 on over and we came right here to Fanning Springs to the restaurant. Now, when we left here, we decided to kind of go back the same way, which we did, but right in here we took 129 and then veered off to 339. The only problem with 339, the bridge was out somewhere around here, so we had to take a detour and then we headed on back to the crossing. It was a neat little ride, and like I said, it wasn't all that big. Let's go ahead and get this ride a-going. Is another place you need to check out. They have all you can eat shrimp. And here we are. We're making our final approach to the Suwannee Belle landing. Here we go, folks. We're at Suwannee Belle landing. I'll tell you what, this is one good restaurant, I think, full for my buddy Tom here at the crossing that mentioned this place to us. Now, what I understand, they only been open about 8 months, but I'm surprised that I didn't pick up on this place a lot earlier.
So the boats can come up.
Yeah, they can. It has that rustic by the water restaurant look that I always come to enjoy here in Florida.
Watch it for manatee.
There's manatees?
Apparently they got manatee signs.
Well, today I did get aggravated at Dammit. Dammit didn't do like he's supposed to do. And I guess it's time for me to look for a different drone. This was neat downstairs. They had a bar and you could sit down here too. It's nice. See a couple of airboats go by and some pontoon boats with all the flags a flying. But it's kind of neat just kicking back on the river here and checking out the vessels going by.
Hey, there's your high chair, Marcia. Marcia.
Up going upstairs to go ahead and eat.
How do you like that dip?
It's very, very good.
That's more what I think fish dip should taste like. It is good. And a nice little view out here.
Walking around just to give you a better perspective of what this place looks like, and this is upstairs, and they do have a little section also. My meal was good. Coleslaw, the shrimp, French fries, it was good.
How's your oyster stew?
It's very good.
And the tacos, you don't know yet.
Not yet. Good.
Good? Cool.
Like I said, we've seen airboats like this one here, and we've seen pontoon boats with all their flags a flying. That last clip, that was the airboat going by. It sounded like airplane, but now it's time for us to point him back towards the Williston Crossing. folks, one thing I gotta say, with this restaurant today, the food was good. Marcia enjoyed her oyster stew, her fish tacos, her shrimp tacos. I enjoyed my meal. Definitely has some good food, and the volume was enough to satisfy me. Check it out.
Also, be sure to check out our YouTube page. We also have a Facebook page, and we also have a website trying to keep these all together. This, once again, was a Michael and Marcia's motorcycle trips video. Ain't that right, Sprocket Baby, huh?